Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this beautiful bag organizer that I got from Zoomoni. This is my very first ever organizer, so I did a lot of research before finally placing my order at Zoomoni website. So initially I was torn between Samorga and Zoomoni, which are shops based in South Korea that customize organizers mostly for luxury bags. So I got mine from Zoomoni. All in all, I paid around 50 US dollars or 2,320 in Philippine money, including the shipping. So we have an envelope with the name of the brand in front. This is very nice. So it's a thank you note from the company. Oh, this is gorgeous. Such a gorgeous paper. So here, I hope you can see the message clearly. This is so sweet and thoughtful. Makes you feel really special, you know. Now let's put this one aside and let's take a look now on the organizer. So it took around 15 days before I received my order because it was not readily available. It was made to order. I bought this one for my Alma BB because the bag only has one big compartment. And since I always want everything to be organized and arranged, I figured I really need a bag organizer. Yeah, so this is it. It's in rose red color, exactly like the color of the microfiber interior of Alma BB. We have here the Zoomoni tag. Then we have this one. So I think this is sort of a card holder. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. This one has 3 pocket compartments to organize your bag in a neat and convenient way. This is the central compartment, very spacious. 1 pocket on this side and 2 small side pockets here. It's lightweight and it also feels very durable. Just the right thickness to it. So this is handmade with the finest 2mm premium felt material from South Korea. Now here's my LV Alma BB in the Mir Event canvas that I bought in February this year. Let's try to put the organizer in. Fits perfectly well. Let's place this card holder on the side pocket of the bag itself because I don't think I'm gonna use it. So I put my wallet first. my alcohol, then some paper napkins, my Moroccan oil for my hair, my pressed powder, lipstick, my face pocket mirror, my rosary beads that I got from Vatican when we were there a month before the pandemic happened, some pens that I carry with me in case I have to fill in or sign something. So this is an important measure these days so as to prevent the spread of the virus. Always bring your own pen. Next is my favorite Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses. And it looks like it does not fit. Yeah, it does not. Then we have here my cell phone. So this is how it looks inside with the new organizer, and this is how much essentials my bag can fit with an organizer, of course. Let's close the zipper. Okay, so it looks a bit full, but still looks okay. But at least you're assured that you don't have to be digging in your bag for your belongings. The zipper is in good shape and doesn't look wobbly. Now let's try to take out the organizer with all the items for you to see up close how each one is placed in the organizer. Now if you have another bag with almost the same size as your Alma BB, then you can just switch bags easily by simply moving the organizer to the other. So this is how the organizer looks like with my essentials on it. Everything is in place, which is exactly how I want my things to be all the time. So as I've mentioned earlier, organizers are very important for the following reasons. Organizers help you organize your items inside your bag, keep your bag in proper shape or in its original structure, help you switch bags easily by simply moving the organizer to another, protect your bag from pen or makeup marks, coffee spills, and potential damages to your bag's interior parts. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want to see more unboxing videos like this or videos related to fashion and lifestyle, kindly subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below and also the notification bell for you to be notified every time I post new videos. See you next time. Bye!